Students, we are studying this selection process for your product or maybe for your service. The industry you are going to start as a entrepreneur. So in this first step, which is very essential and very important state for any business, for any entrepreneurship phase, because it is the base for your further growth. It is not like that in 2 days or in 2 hours you are just complete this stage and you'll arise to your product. So that is very important and much and more basic studies or concentration must be given on this part, because this process selection, product selection is not so important also, and it is not hard at all, because we can see at the our nearby markets there are many small entrepreneurs, and within their good consistent business they are at top now. So that is why, because they are selected the right product in their selection process, and that it must be consistent, because we already studied in the first chapter there will be different qualities of a good successful entrepreneur. So we must be consistently adhere to our product, and initially we should not be always focused for our profit only. We are always try to concentrate on our startup process in the first phase, and where do we ascertain our basic ideas in the start phase. So in this selection, we have to finalize what is that product and what is that. See, basically same 78 number roll number is there. 78 number student ने केलेलं आहे. So it is shameful for that. Very shameful for the. I think she is a girl. Just let me check that who is that 70 number, 78 number. So it will directly affect on your marks, dear students. So it is very, you are being a third year students. Again 17 number Pooja. So it is, you are wasting your time, not my time actually. So we are in the first part of the product selection, that we are to have to select this product. So what is that product? Product itself is a requirement of a customer. So product is the bundle of satisfaction. Whatever customer is requiring, so that customer is requiring something. 1 minute. So customer is always requiring something from your different products. So that must be a bundle of satisfaction. So that satisfaction comes from the customer mind. So that customer mind may require different variety. So that variety will always a bundle of satisfaction. That products are always bundle of satisfaction. So it is the conceptual creation of a producer approved by the consumer. When you as a entrepreneur you are going to start some product industry, so it is the thing that must be approved by customer only. Means it is not like that you are going to start any company without any customer base. So for any company you must address your customer first of all while selecting the your product. You have to focus on this customer also. What are the basic requirement now and how we can fulfill that customer by another way, because there may be some different products in any company. So while substituting your product as a startup unit, so you must be focused on this customer so that they can choose your product as a substitute also. So it is the conceptual creation of a producer. You as a entrepreneur, you are the producer of that product, suppose. So you have to fulfill the needs of the customer or satisfy the customer's requirement. So your products is the conceptual creation in other way, or in marketing management, that Philip Kotler has given that definition So there is some network problem actually. So students, we are studying this product selection. Again, I am sharing the same, just wait. So in this important stage of selection of product, that Philip Kotler in marketing management has given some definition about product. He tells that a product is anything that can be offered. A product is anything that can be offered to market for attention, acquisition, use, or consumption. So they are very important terms one by one. You have to attention the market need. So offer to market for attention, acquisition, customer must be acquisition, and use or consumption. So they are all satisfy the things. So that is the product. Your product, that is anything that can be offered to a market, to a consumer market for attention, for acquisition, use, or consumption. So that product will tell whether it is acquisition by customer or whether it is consume customer very rapidly. So that will be depend upon your product. So it is very important to see that this your product must offered to customer requirement with some satisfaction, and it is always a conceptual creation by you as an entrepreneur, as a producer of that product, and you must fulfill that market attention, acquisition, or any use or consumption by that different consumers. Then product selection is the process in which retailer choose the shape or material of the product as per market demand. Means you as an entrepreneur, you have to be focused on your product. So as a retailer, you have to choose that shape of the material as well as the type of material you are using for your product as per the consumer demand, as per the customer demand. So it is very important in this product selection process, the process in which retailer choose the shape of material of the product as per market demand. Means you as a owner, you as a entrepreneur, you can select any product, but that will be decided by your consumer, your retailer, because that market choices are fixed. So you as an entrepreneur, you have to follow on this retailer choice of shape as well as material as per the market demand. So that product selection terms include material of your product, shape of your product, as well as color and price, which is very important in any manner, because your product must be economical by any means as different products are can be purchased by customers when it is economical, means customer can compromise on something like material or shape or color if the price is economical, but you need not concentrate only price. Your products must be of good material as well as of required shape by customer, as well as good color for customer satisfaction. So that is what product selection, which is a retailer choice of shape of material of the market as per customer demand. So that is your product selection. Then this product selection process depend upon this number of characteristics, number of parts. First is demand and supply characteristics. So the demand and supply characteristics are as per your standard product or as per your job or product. Means you have to decide which type of product you are. Whether you are your product is a job product, job order product, having some different jobs, or whether you are having some standard product. So that demand and supply characteristics. What is the requirement of the market and how you are supplying? So that demand and supply must be fulfilled. Otherwise आता आपण बघतो पॅन्डेमिक मध्ये काही जो इंजेक्शनचा सप्लाय म्हणा किंवा काही टॅबलेट्स पण म्हणताय काही बरोबर इवन सम vaccine also there is a some gap in between demand and supply because of our population also. So this demand and supply characteristics is very important for any business. So that demand and supply characteristics goes to depend upon which type of product you are selecting, whether your product is standard product or whether it is a job order product. So that will defines the your product demand and supply characteristics. Also, you have to see that your product must be frequency of consumption, means whether it is a fast moving or whether it is a durable product. So it is very important to see that your product must be required by the customer as per the customer's requirement. So this frequency of consumption is also second point while selecting your product. So after demand and supply characteristics, or next important part is frequency of consumption. Whether your products are fast moving consumable, FMCG म्हणता बघा काही products. When you are going to the shop market, बरोबर, grocery market, some products are FMCG. They are fast moving consumer goods. That FMCG is fast moving consumer goods. That is at here. So that frequency of consumption is the what is the frequency of consumer require that product. So that whether it is FMCG, fast moving consumer goods, or whether it is consumer durable, consumer can depend upon that products for longer period. That is durable products are there. So that frequency of consumption you have to select. Then next important is nature of use. What is the nature of use? Why consumer using that product, for whether that is household product or whether it is a industrial goods. So that nature of use is also important. As a diploma engineer, when you are going to see this or going to work on this product selection, so you have to follow this number of phases, number of parameters while selecting your product. Whether your product is having good consumption, fast consumption or not, or whether it is a durable, then whether it is demand and supply characteristics, is when you can fulfill the demand and supply of the consumer. So that next point is the nature of use, whether your product is required by the consumer market or whether it's required by the industrial goods. So that is nature of use also important. And last parameter is product characteristics. What is the class of your product? How is your product quality? What is its class? Then product line. What is the nature of product you are having? Whether it is a number of mix or whether it is a single product. So that is all about your product characteristics. So these characteristics are very important for any product selection process. So product selection process must fulfill this requirement of demand and supply characteristics, frequency of consumption, nature of use, as well as product characteristics. So it is very important for any business. So you have to follow this number of parts for any business. Roll number 42. So it is very important to fulfill this all these parameters of any product selection process. Then we'll go to the next part. Concept of product selection. It is a decision process. I know it is a theoretical work somewhat, but you must fulfill your all these steps of your product selection. It is a decision making process in which the design team selects one or a few product for further development. Means you are as a team leader, you as an entrepreneur, you have to select this product in this decision making process by R&D part. So an entrepreneur establishes a business unit with a modest investment in a small scale level. Bro, as a young entrepreneur, you have to start with a modest investment. It will not take much more risk as a initial phase. So as a initial level, I must start a business unit with a modest investment, so that which will in a small scale level, and after taking some good repo, good speed and good standard stability to your business, then you can increase as per your requirement. So that must be fulfill all these things. So your business must start with some modest investment with small scale level, and as he senses business opportunities, from the changing environment. Means when you have started something, and in this changing environment, there may be some addition of keeps on adding, improving, dropping different types of product. Means it is not like that you have started with some product and you have to fix that product for your lifetime business. That is not for any business. So you, by understanding your environment, by understanding this changing environment, you have to add your products. So keeps on adding, keeps on improving in your different products, keeps on dropping some products. What is the exact requirement of market, that you have to fulfill only. So a small business unit progressively becomes large through additional investment. Initially तुम्हाला नेहमी कमी इन्व्हेस्टमेंटनी सुरुवात करायची, पण असं नाही का की कमी इन्व्हेस्टमेंट मध्ये तुम्ही नेहमी सॅटिस्फाय असणार आहे. यू हॅव टू बी add on your different investment as a growth of your business. कमी इन्व्हेस्टमेंट असणार तर तुमची ग्रोथ पण तेवढीच असणार आहे. But when you are increasing your investment, so that type of growth you can achieve. And when you are selecting new investment, so the new product investment areas are as under introduction of new market, introduction of new product. Means whatever product you are launching, that introduction is very important. So this product investment may be of your introduction of new market, maybe you are launching some new product, or already there is some product expansion of existing product. There already you are having some product, you are expanding it by means of quality or by means of some quantity also. So that is expansion is the second. And in the third part, diversification of a new line of product by an already existing unit. Means already there is existing unit, but you are diversifying a new line of product. Means already there is some new models, already there are number of models are there, but two-wheeler company are adding always some new models for their existing two-wheeler vehicles for fulfilling the competition. So similarly, diversifying the new line of product by already existing unit. And fourth one is business integration investment. A business is step by step and sequential conversion of raw material into finished product. Means you have to integrate the things. Means for example, a raw material cotton is converted into finished cloth. बरं साधा दोरा जो आहे तो फिनिश क्लॉथ मध्ये कशा प्रकारे कन्वर्ट करता येतो आपल्याला, मे बी थ्रू स्पिनिंग, weaving and processing. So that will depend upon your selection process, how you are selecting the number of things for your business. So these are the concept of product selection. You have to follow this. तुमचा product investment कशा प्रकारचा असला पाहिजे, either you are introducing a new product, either you are expanding of the existing product, then either you are diversifying in new line of product by an already existing unit, or you are business integration investment. You are investing some things for already existing unit. That is your main part of your business selection. Then product selection are must be carry out three number of stages. Means your product selection will always innovation and creativity. Then only customer can purchase your product. So it must be having innovation and creativity. Then design of a product. The design must be always required by the customer. Always fulfill the requirement of customer. As we are seeing that definition, it must fulfill the satisfaction of customer. So the design of product your must be satisfy customer requirement. In your material selection, students. Anuja, same 42 roll number. So it is very important to see that innovation and creativity follow केल्यानंतर तुमच्या प्रोडक्टची डिझाईन कशा प्रकारची आहे, ते कंझ्युमरची रिक्वायरमेंट, कस्टमरची रिक्वायरमेंट सॅटिस्फाय करते की नाही, ते डिझाईन खूप महत्वाचं आहे. त्यानंतर पुढचा महत्वाचा पार्ट आहे मटेरियल सिलेक्शन. तुम्ही कुठल्या प्रकारचं मटेरियल सिलेक्ट करता त्या प्रोडक्टसाठी, दॅट मटेरियल सिलेक्शन इज ऑल्सो इम्पॉर्टंट. बाय कन्वर्टिंग युअर मटेरियल सिलेक्शन, you are converting that raw material into final product. So that final product is very important, and all is depend upon the customer required for that products. So all these are the steps of your product selection. Is your product through this product selection process goes to the customer only, but while going to the customer it must satisfy the different parameters of customer requirement. Innovation will be there, creativity must be there, then your design of product, your material selection for product, and final product, after fulfilling the all the needs, they will go to the customer. So it is very important to see this customer requirement. Then important avenues of a new product selection. While selecting your important product in market, so you have to see that you must fulfill the requirements of customer. So there are some important avenues for new product selection. Innovative product through R&D efforts. तुम्हाला जे नवीन प्रॉडक्ट निवडायचे ते कसं असलं पाहिजे? फॉर युअर गुड ग्रोथ, फॉर युअर फास्टर ग्रोथ, इट मस्ट बी इनोव्हेटिव्ह प्रोडक्ट थ्रू युअर R&D efforts. Then next is differentiated initiative product of some existing entrepreneur. ऑलरेडी काय एक्झिस्टिंग एंटरप्रिनर आहे, पण त्याच्यामधल्या प्रॉडक्ट मध्ये काय तुम्ही एक चांगल्या प्रकारचं इनिशिएटिव्ह केलं, गुड डिफरन्सिएशन केलं त्याच्यामध्ये, सो दॅट देर इज अ innovative product. Already there may be some different products used by the different customer, made by your different entrepreneurs, but while you starting as a startup new entrepreneur, you have to be innovatively differentiate the already used product. ऑलरेडी जे मार्केटमध्ये प्रॉडक्ट यूज होत आहे त्याच्यामध्ये ऍज अ टेक्निकल डिप्लो इंजिनियर, you have to be find out that innovative way. You have to differentiate the already used product. So offensive strategy like sale of joint or buy product of for cross subsidizing the main product price cut. बरोबर, ऑलरेडी जे प्रॉडक्ट कस्टमर घेते in very large cost, but if you are offer them same product in some less cost, then already customer can naturally will be prefer your product if they are sound goods in quality as well as. So this product strategy is also very important in your price also. So defensive strategy by using your development, then joining hand with competitor through collaboration in manufacturing or marketing the products. It is not like that you have to always compete with your different entrepreneurs. You can joining hand with the different competitor through collaboration also, means by collaborating the different your entrepreneurs in that same manufacturing or marketing of the products. So you can not only independently solve the problem always, you can join with your different collaborators also. So that collaboration is also important while selecting your product. You can think that opportunity also whether you can collaborate with already existing entrepreneurs. So that is also important. Then production of components with some large units. Managing of only a component used by scooters, cars, or machinery managing, means you have to see that production of components with some large unit. तुम्हाला अशा प्रकारचं काही सबसिडी देता आलं एखाद्या कंपनीच्या रिक्वायरमेंट सारखं, ऑलरेडी दे आर सप्लाइंग some products, but if you are giving good solution to them, some scooter industry, some car industry, or some machinery manufacturing, so you have to be innovatively give new idea for this different industry. Then these are the number of importance of product selection for any product where you are, whether you are selecting, that must be changes in your business risk. So product selection is changes in business risk, changes in financial risk, as well as changes in existing production system. त्या बिझनेस रिस्क जे असणार तुमच्या प्रोडक्ट मध्ये करताना त्याच्यामध्ये काहीतरी तुम्हाला चेंज करता आला पाहिजे. as well as you have to change in financial risk. ऑलरेडी कस्टमरच्या प्राइस मध्ये घेते त्याला काही सबस्टिट्यूट दिले सोल्युशन by offering less price, so that will be a financial risk for you. So you have to change that financial risk. Then changes in the existing production system. ऑलरेडी जे काय प्रोडक्शन सिस्टम आहे त्याला तुम्ही काहीतरी ऑप्शन दिलं ऍज अ न्यू एंटरप्रेन्योर, so that change must be there in your product solution. Then you have to offer some changes in existing marketing system, necessitating the changes in channels of sale and distribution. ऑलरेडी जे वर्षानुवर्ष चाललेलं कस्टमरचं रिक्वायरमेंट आहे, थ्रू मॅनेजर इट इज कमिंग टू द सम retailer, or it may be some distributor, or maybe some more distributors in that gap while substituting that product to the consumer. So you have to changes in this existing marketing system. तुम्ही डायरेक्टली मॅनेजर केलं, डायरेक्टली कंझ्युमर पर्यंत तुम्ही अटॅच झाला, फायनल एंड कस्टमर पर्यंत तुम्ही डायरेक्टली सप्लाय केला. So you are diverting this in between market stage, so that will naturally add on to your profit. So by changing in your this marketing system, you have to fulfill the requirement of consumer Then changes in organization structure and personal position. Means as a small scale level, you have to start with your own as a proprietor only. There is no me extra persons with you. So you have to change this organization structures and personal positions. Then tapping of new sources of raw material. So you have to tap the number of raw materials used by the customer. You have to tap for new innovative raw materials for consumer needs, and you have to use this new product as an input in your raw material changing. Then changes in competitive means as a competitive part, you have to change some different things in your market. So changes in competitive market. And last is the product position. तुमच्या प्रॉडक्टची पोझिशन कशा प्रकारची. So that is very important for any product selection. So these are the number of again changes for employing your product selection while start as a startup. So these are the number of parts for any business. So you have to follow these number of parts by fulfilling these all these changes. Then you have to need means you have to follow this requirement of product market. Your product must be innovative with your, you can always collaborate with your different competitors if they are allowed. Then you have to be innovative in your product, as well as you have to be select on your design of product or selection and final consumer. Then these are the number of concepts of any product. Either you can launch new product, or either you can expand of existing unit, or either you can diversify in new line of product by already existing unit, or either you can integrate the different investment. So that is also important. And these are the number of requirement of any selection process. डिमांड अँड सप्लाय तुम्हाला पूर्ण करता आला पाहिजे. तुमच्या प्रॉडक्टची कंझ्युमर फ्रिक्वेन्सी कशा प्रकारची ती तुम्हाला बघता आला पाहिजे. तुमचं प्रॉडक्ट कशा प्रकारचं आहे, वेदर इट इज कंझ्युमर, वेदर इट इज इंडस्ट्रियल प्रॉडक्ट, ते सुद्धा तुम्हाला बघता आलं पाहिजे. देन यू हॅव टू बी characterize your product class, your product line, your product mix. So these are important stages of product. So that product selection is the process in which retailer or choose the shape of material of the product as per market demand, and that choose include material selection, shape selection, color, and more importantly price of the product. And what is product is? Product is all in all bundle of satisfaction. So students, kindly rejoin after this 2-3 minutes after this end of the lecture, or rejoin kara parada, just 2-3 minutes break घेतो मी just. Okay, we'll start with again this product selection to complete this product and process selection. Okay, so kindly rejoin with 2-3 minutes. I'm stopping here. Thank you.